Hello everyone, so in this video I am going to explain data frame in Pyspark. Before explaining data frame in Pyspark, I will explain what is data frame and use case of data frame. Okay, let's understand what is data frame. Data frame is a tabular data structure with rows and column. It is similar as a table in SQL. Okay, now let's understand the use case. So we have a use case like data manipulation, data aggregation, loading data. So assume I have a data at different source and I have to process that data. So first I have to load that data. So what we do, we load data in form of data frame, and after loading the data we apply data manipulation on that data, we apply data aggregation on that data. Okay, so this is the use case of data frame. Now let's understand data frame in Pyspark. So distributed collection of data organized into named column. Okay, similar to pandas data frame but optimized for big data. Okay, so concept is same, only when we talk data frame in Pyspark, it is distributed collection of data. Okay, now let's see few difference between pandas data frame and Pyspark data frame. Okay, so execution. So when we run a pandas data frame, it run immediately. Okay, but when we execute data frame in Pyspark, it does not run immediately. We need to perform some action because this is a lazy evaluation. Okay, operation run only when an action is triggered. Okay, assume I have a assume I have to make some transformation like a filter transformation, then join transformation. If I run this transformation in pandas data frame, it will run immediately. But with same thing, if I run in Pyspark, it does not run. Okay, it just create a tag, or can say it just create a execution plan. Okay, it execute only when we run some action. Next is scale. Work on single machine limited by RAM. This is for pandas data frame. So when we talk about Pyspark data frame, work on cluster can handle terabytes of data. Performance. Pandas data frame is good for small data set, and Pyspark data frame is good for large data set. It is optimized for large data set. Data size. Pandas data frame fits in memory, but same time Pyspark data frame handle data larger than memory, TB, PB, like that. Ease of use. Rich API for data analysis, but Pyspark data frame is little bit complex. File format, it can read any kind of in pandas data frame, file formats are limited, like it can read CSV, Excel, JSON. But when we talk about Pyspark data frame, it can read CSV, JSON, or Parquet, ORC, Delta. Best use case. So when we have a small data set and when we need a quick analysis, then pandas data frame is better. But when we have to build ETL pipeline, big data analytics, or large data set, Pyspark data frame is better. So this is just a overview of what is data frame and data frame in Pyspark and how Pyspark data frame is different than pandas data frame. Okay, now in next video we'll see how to create data frame.